Alright, I can't believe there's a game called Remote Control on the Nintendo. What is this? It must be a game show I probably never heard of. Just looking. Oh, it's from MTV. That might be it. I don't have cable music until. I mean, cable music. Cable television. Until like the mid 90s. Okay. Computer player. Sure. Welcome to Remote Control. Let's see our contestants. Oh, I didn't even press anything. That kind of looks like me, I guess. Freddy. I'm Freddy. Okay. What other categories? Just numbers? Like my lucky number 8. The wrestling channel. Okay. Is it a sport? Is it a sham? Who really cares? What wrestler regularly has to face "Don't be cruel" stitched across his tights? Oh, I don't know. Oh, man. His name is Pablo. But there's only one choice left. Oh, okay, good. Suddenly, nuclear annihilation seems less gloomy somehow. Okay. Look, it all look mad. Okay, Freddy, you're in control. Oh, there's only 9 questions? Bon Jovi. We asked the Washington think tank to name the most important figure of the 20th century. And they were, okay, yeah, alright. Singing sensation. Maybe I'm not reading fast enough. You would use a pick to hunt for what highly prized fungus? Oh. Did she answer escargot? Do I get your answer? It smell like the same. There's only worth 5 points. Okay, so let's do 7, one at a time. The movie channel. They're edited and interrupted by commercials. Some movies actually played in theaters. Wow. This guy's trying to be funny. Complete this line from the classic detective movie starring Jack Nicholson and Faye Dunaway. Forget it, Jake. This is the beginning of a real friendship. The end of Rico. Oh, man. This is Chinatown. You know, when I just select a category, I have to press A. And when I answer, I have to press B. They should make it just one button, right? Because like, hey, there's only up, down, left, right, B, and A. How are you in control? Yeah, pick it, Howie. The movie channel. How many questions are there? Emin John Bully's character in Animal House. Had the same name, what is it? Sweet Pea? What, is it Popeye? Is it Pluto? Oh man, I'm not familiar with this. Did you ever notice that the best remote control contestant are usually the weirdest whatever? Yeah, okay. They should let me skip whatever he says. So it's just a trivia game on the Nintendo. Took his title from Mozart's middle name. Yes! I knew that one. That's super genius. How many questions? Like, can I keep making movies? No, I want to check out the other stuff. Okay. Let's see what number 3 is. See, I just press A here. MASH. Great. I know nothing about this show. Spock and Dusty like to talk to him over the radio, and Chop Suey, Mexican Brecco and Rash named this 5-5 Corporal. Radar? Oh, Pablo got it first. Oh, see? I just pressed it twice. Is that guy mad at me? Was he looking at me? Let's try number 1. Try all the categories. More prime time. Which female character on Designing Woman is divorced with 2 children? Oh shoot, I have no idea. Someone take this. Well, there's only 2 answers left, right? Oh, dang it. I can't even get this 50% right. Don't even let you watch Jeopardy, do they? Why would I just punch this guy in the face? You probably YouTube this back then. Okay, let's pick number 2. Brady. Alice Brady May had the same last name as TV's couple Ozzy and Harriet. What is it? Ugh. I guess it's for somebody who watched a lot of TV back then. Don't need your brain to science. Get out of here. Come on, gotta pick something. I got 4, 5, 6 left. Which Kate and Allie star was not ready for primetime player on Saturday Night Live? It's Allie, right? It's gotta be one of these two. Dang it! Jane Curtin was on SNL. Shoot, is it Jane Curtin? Aye, it is. I was about to say, she's gotta pick the correct choice, right? Okay. I remember that show, Kate and Allie. I was so mad. I'm tired with the computer. Yeah, Howie. Okay, cuties, Jenny and Emma attend what large university in the series? Kate and Allie. Oh, I don't remember this. Someone get it wrong. Oh, I was thinking Columbia, but I don't know why I picked New York. Everybody's so upset. Is it like that on the show? Dang it. Pick 4, 5, 6. If you spell the Otis Brady's boy's name backwards, how would you pronounce it? Oh, I don't know. Dang it. Why am I happy? Snake break time. What is going on? I'm so glad I haven't ended the video yet, so I didn't miss that. You know what? I'm just gonna call it quits right here.